Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub. We're back doing some more shop cooking today. We're gonna go ahead and cook up this massive brisket on the smoker. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Hopefully it'll turn out all right. We're gonna do some work on the Tacoma, do some other tinkering around, and let's see how it turns out. Here's a view of the brisket. It's now time to just slice it open. Then we're gonna go ahead and dump a whole bunch of seasonings on it before we throw it on the smoker. We're gonna use the pellet smoker today. We just acquired another smoker, but that'll probably be for next cooking adventure. Still in the truck and whatnot. Seasonings, same things we used last time for cooking. We have the bourbon molasses seasoning. We use this on the chicken wings, came out great. We just have it laying around. And then of course, everyone's favorite, some Old Bay. And I'm sure there's might be some Everglades laying around somewhere, but so far this is what we're gonna be using on this particular brisket. Just look at all this luscious, heavy, fatty brisket. Ready to go, ready to be yummy. Go ahead and shake off some of the blood here. Ugh. This thing is slippery. And then again, we're gonna go ahead and prep this meat right here on the back of this broken flat tire zero-turn lawnmower. And it is a self-draining table right onto the floor. We have a beautiful seasoning nicely all across the brisket. Now it's just time to go ahead and flip it over, season up that fatty side, and swing it right on out to where this pellet smoker is. Brisket's thrown on the smoker, temperature set to around 225. Boom, there you go. Come back over here to get the next cooking item that will probably come up in previous videos, the new smoker out of the bed of my truck. Thanks to my manager Andy, who gave it to us. But first I gotta get the old forklift fired up, get it ready to go so that way I can pull it out of the bed of my truck. So let's go ahead and see how well it starts. And the tank is... Get the tank open. Hopefully this seat's not a complete sponge. Really needs to get repaired, but it seems to be dry. It's under the cover, plus it has like a little roof deal going on, so it should be good to go. Forks are a bit spread out too far, so gotta close those up before I can grab it out of the bed of the truck. Let's see how quick it starts. Hey, what key operates the forklift?
Oh, it's the key with the black thing on it in the key box.
The key with the black thing on it in the key box, not the key that's wire tied to the thingy. Okay.
No.
Alright, thank you.
I thought it was still in there. I'm pulling in right now.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye. Well, we got the Tacoma up here in the air. Good old cash for clunker. We've got bush hog repair going on over there for that tree cutter. Then over here we've got the brisket. It's coming along quite well. Probably gonna get some stuff to make some smoked macaroni and cheese to go along with it. Do a side for once. And then over here we have these toolboxes that we got to slice off with the plasma cutter. Just pulled a breakfast sandwich out the fridge from earlier, so a little cold, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at this delightful fucking Burger King right here. Everybody loves Burger King, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Set it right next to this delightful looking brisket. Heat up and smoke up this croissant. Give it a whirl for a lunch treat. So Burger King's usually pretty blah, but toasted up on a smoker, leftover sandwich, definitely much tastier. We got our chains on, we're all safe. 2 chains, bunch of random junk in the back, bunch of broken stuff. All strapped down, ready to roll to the scrapyard. So we out here at the Publix, and no back seat, no problem. We're just gonna go ahead and throw the bevies and the charcoal right on the back of the flatbed, and hope for the best. Hopefully we make it home. So Travis returned from the park, and he decided that my shitty drinks need to go on the outside and protect his even shittier drink. Quick update here, we've got Tacoma repair still in progress. We've got the new smoker fired up, I guess to cook like some chicken or some chicken wings or whatever, so it's rolling. Just started the fire in it, so that's happening. Then we've got the brisket. Still coming along. A little bit dark in there, but it's cooking away. And then soon we're gonna go ahead and start the macaroni and cheese and whatever else that we decide to cook up in that one. So we got both grills out here running. We've got the brisket and mac and cheese clumping along over here, coming out pretty decent. Then over here we've got the new smoker with some chicken wings that we just threw on there. Alright, so we went ahead and lit everything on fire here. Minor grease fire. Travis whipped out the fire gloves, you know, we're all good here. That's burning up. Everything's ablaze. Yeah, there's that going on. And we're just burning off the grease right there. So we ended up having quite a lot of stuff transpire here. We had a pit boss fire that ended up throwing greasy oil all over the ground. I mean, it was a massive flaming experience. We went ahead and pulled off the chicken wings from this smoker and decided to just use this as a warmer for the macaroni and cheese and the brisket, which is pretty much done. So we're just kind of using this as like a little warmer for it to sit and rest for a bit. Over here, once we got the blaze under control, we had to pull out some fire gloves, a shovel, some other different things that we had going on to be able to get the meat and macaroni saved. We got the blaze under control. And then we relocated the chicken wings over here. And we're just gonna go ahead and cook off these chicken wings over here. Here's a quick little view of the brisket. The ends are slightly burned up from the massive grease fire, but it didn't turn out too bad. Chicken wings are done. They look fantastic.